Meron namang kuryente. Let's continue. Go, go, go lang tayo sa pag-live. Come on, makisama ka naman. Why talaga? Kakabalik lang ng kuryente, guys. So, ayan. Go, go lang tayo sa pagla-live. Okay lang mag-stop ng stop. Live again. Ganyan lang. So now it's around 4:30 p.m. here in Bangladesh. So still sunny pero hindi na siya tirik na tirik. At mahangin na rin siya, guys. Ayan. Yung mga ganitong oras ako talaga usually, like this time usually I make live. So kanina medyo it's early. It's around 3 o'clock. It's already 4:30 here in Bengali.